A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, I hope you have completed your chapter number 2, the notes of the chapter number 2 in your computer notebook. If you are having any doubts, you can call me. Okay, today we are going to move forward to your chapter number 3, that is editing text in Word 2016. Okay, dear children, come on, let's see. Now, first of all, we will see the introduction part. Okay, Word 2016 is a very popular software that allows you to type and save stories, letters, poems, etc. Now, it is a very popular software. बहुत ही अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर है. क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? स्टोरीज सेव कर सकते हैं, लेटर्स, पोएम्स, एक्सेट्रा. Word 2016 has a power and a flexibility to do the following. वो क्या क्या चीजें कर सकता है? We will see. To produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly and in a presentable manner. Now, Word 2016 can do all these things. It can produce letters, reports, notices, everything in a very good, in a presentable and in a very attractive manner. Okay, to modify the text both while typing and after typing. टेक्स्ट मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं टाइप करने के टाइम पे या आफ्टर टाइपिंग, जब हम लोगों ने अपनी टाइपिंग खत्म कर दी है उसके बाद भी हम मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं हमारे टेक्स्ट को जो भी हमने टाइप किया है. टू ब्यूटिफाई द टेक्स्ट यूजिंग कलर, स्टाइल, font size, border, shading, and various other effects. Okay, we can use all these fonts and colors. Okay, to insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures, to copy and move text from one place to another. हम graphics insert कर सकते हैं, हम pictures draw कर सकते हैं with the help of drawing tools. We can draw the pictures with the help of drawing tools. We can copy and move the text from one place to another. Okay, to preview the text before printing it and taking multiple printouts means जब हमको प्रिंट आउट निकालना होता है तो उससे पहले हमको देखना होगा कि लाइक प्रिंट आउट के टाइम पे आफ्टर टेकिंग आउट द प्रिंट आउट हाउ विल आवर डॉक्यूमेंट विल अपीयर, कैसे हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट दिखेगा. वी कैन ऑल्सो प्रिव्यू दैट एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक मल्टीपल प्रिंट आउट. मतलब हम लोग एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट के बहुत सारे प्रिंट आउट ले सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ वर्ड. ओके, let's move on. Now we will quickly revise concept that you have learned in the previous class. Okay, now how we will start a word? Click on the start Word 2016 or in the search box type word and then click on word. Now dear children, instead of reading the steps, I will just show you in practical all these steps how to start a word, so you will just recall all the things what you have studied in your previous class. Okay, let's move to our practical. See, this is my search box. Are you all able to see? Okay, this is my search box. Here I will type word. Here I will type word. See, I got the word software. Okay, it's opening. Now, in this is your word document. Okay, this is the first screen which we are having when we are opening our word document. I will click on my blank document. Okay, I will just click on my blank document. Then this is the default Word document that we are having whenever we are opening the Word. Whenever we are opening the Word document, when we are opening this software, ये हमारा default document है जो appear होता है. Now, how to what was the next one? We will just have a look. Creating a new document, saving a new document. Now, how we will I have shown you how you will create a new document. Once again, I will show you in the file menu. Here the new option is there. You will just click on new, then you will select the blank document. See, you will get the document like this. Okay, how to save a document? If I want to save this document, I will click on file, I will click on save. Where I want to save, if I want to save on documents, if I want to save on desktop, or any of the following. Okay, Then the next one was saving a document. Now, opening an existing document. If opening, what does opening an existing document means? हमने एक कोई document already save करके रखा है हमारे word के software में, and we have to open that file. We have to open that document. So how we will do that? I will show you that as well. We will just go on to a Word document. We will click on File. Here is the Open option given to you. We will click on Open. See, here are the different files which I have on my document on my software. Okay, I will just click any one of the following. See, this is my document. In the same way, you can open any existing document. That is, opening an existing document means already जो हमारे Word में है, saved है file, we will open it with while going on the File menu, then clicking on the Home. Clear, dear? Clear to you? Okay. Now, closing the document, click on the File tab, click on the option, Close option in the left pane. Then change the font size and color. Now, this I will show you as well. This is a Word document. See, this is the Home tab which we are having in the Word document. This is the Home tab, okay? See, it's been selected here. This is the Home tab. From this tab, we can change the language of the text, the font of the text. Sorry, we can change the font of the text. This is a theme font. If we want the Arial black, we can use that also. See, if I am writing something that is Christ School, and if I am choosing a different font, then see, different fonts are available in the Word document to make our text very presentable. Okay, from here we can change the size of the text. From here we can change the font color of the text. See, if I am choosing red, again I will just see it is being there in the red color. Clear to you? Okay, all these concepts are clear to you, which you have already studied in your previous class. I have shown you in the practical also. Okay, dear children, moving on to the next. What is dialog box launcher? Okay, we will see. Dialog box launcher is a small icon that appears in some groups. If we click on this icon, a dialog box opens that provides more options related to that group. A dialog box is a new window that pops up. It has options that you select as per your choice. Now, it is an option which is appeared in each and every tab. जो हर एक के home tab में, जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया कि how we will change the font color and font size and for like theme fonts, we can also change that. And in that font, in that tab, there is a dialog box launcher. I will show you in the practical, okay? That there is a dialog box launcher. वो उसके रिलेटेड सारी चीजें उसी में दिखाता है. मीन्स थीम्स, फिर फॉन्ट साइज, फॉन्ट कलर्स, उसके रिलेटेड जितनी भी चीजें होती है ना, वो डायलॉग बॉक्स लॉन्चर में हमको दिखाई देती है. The next is the ribbon display option. This I will also show you. Clicking the buttons gives you option auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. And the last one is the zoom. The zoom can be used by clicking and dragging the slider. The number to the right of the slider bar reflects the zoom percentage. It can magnify or shrink the size of the document you are working on. So we will just open our Word document. See, this is our Word document. See, this is this dialog box launcher. This is the dialog box launcher. I will just click it. See, this is a dialog box launcher available at some groups. Okay, available at some groups. See, it is having the font, theme font, style, size, color, underline style, everything related to that option. See, if I have shown you this one. I will show you this also. Paragraph dialog box launcher. Paragraph dialog box launcher. I will click it. See, it is having the options of alignments, left, right, middle. Okay. Clear to you what is dialog box launcher? It is available to some groups. It is available to some groups and it is having all the details of that group only. Clear? Now what is the ribbon? See, this is the ribbon display option. I will click it and I will show you. See, currently now show tabs and commands is being selected. Okay, show tabs and command has been selected. I will show you the difference also. If I am clicking on show tabs only, see, only show tabs are being there, that is the file, home, insert, design. These tabs will be displayed, no commands will be displayed. Means जो उसके नीचे आते हैं alignments and all, that will not be displayed. This is the difference. If I am clicking on auto hide ribbon, see, सब कुछ चला गया, tabs भी चले गए, commands भी चले गए. Understood how we will go back? We will just click on these three dots. Okay, we are back and we will just click on show tabs and commands. Okay, देखो सब कुछ हमारे पास आ गया, tabs भी आ गए and commands भी आ गए. Clear to you children? Understood very well? A small work for you. What you have to do, you have to write the steps for starting Word 2016 in your notebook in a very good handwriting. You will write on the top the name of the chapter, today's date, and then you will just copy the steps which are there in your textbook. Okay, on the first page of this chapter you will just copy the steps for starting Word 2016. Okay, for just starting Word, how you will start the word. Okay, you have to write the steps in the notebook. We will meet in the next video with something new in this chapter. Till then children, bye bye, God bless you all, stay safe and stay healthy.